Hello, in this video I'll show you how to make this wrist-mounted ice gun gadget. I'm gonna start by taking 2 strips of velcro, a wire and a barbecue lighter. I only need one part of the lighter, so first I'll need to take that out. I start by unscrewing all the screws I see, then I use a well-known opening method called brute force to do the rest. I only need the gas reservoir, the wire and the trigger, which you will see later. I disconnect the wire of the gas reservoir, then open the gas reservoir. Do this in a well-ventilated room, because all the gas will come out. Now, remove the white wire inside the gas reservoir, close it again and reattach the wire. Take the 2 velcro strips and attach them to each other. If you want it to work and look good, align them as well as possible. Then, attach the reservoir as shown with a small dab of hot glue. Other glue should also work, but hot glue works best. The last thing to do is to attach the wire to the trigger. Now you can easily attach it to your arm and attach the wire to your hand to use it. As you can see, when I make this movement with my hand, I also pull the trigger to let all the gas out. With a sweater and a pair of gloves, I can completely hide the whole system. It's also very cold outside, so no one will find it weird if I'm wearing winter gloves. As you can see, it works perfectly. You can shoot unbelievably long, but you would have to build a really big system with big gas reservoir to shoot for more than 10 seconds. So I think it works really good for its size. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome projects like this.